So I'm out here at Drakes Creek Park today in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I'm gonna do a little creek fishing because my friend was in town last week and I brought her here, and it was the first time I'd fished here before. And I'm kind of hooked on creek fishing now, so I'm back. So let's see what I can catch today. Maybe something. I don't know. We'll see. Do I have one? Hey, I got one. Fish on! Woohoo! He's little, but that's okay. A little bluegill. Hold on, don't fin me. All right. Thanks for biting, dude. That was fun. Oh. I'm sorry. Okay, that's fine. Where is this going? Oh, am I getting bites over there? Or is that the waves? Just gonna go over this way then. Nice out here, oh my god. I mean, minus all the traffic. But like that way, look how peaceful that is. It's so nice. Oh, this one's a little bigger. Okay. I'm alright with that. He's actually kind of fighting a little bit. It's nice. Oh, he's very little. Oh, actually, this guy's bigger. I'm excited about this. This is cool. Barely. Oh. Okay. Yeah, look at him. He's pretty big for what I've been usually catching. Can you see him? All right, hold on. All right, thanks for biting. Bye. Sorry, that was kind of hard. All right, that was fun. Fish number 2. 2 in the books. Still on there? I got it? Oh. Hey! This guy isn't like so super tiny. He actually like weighs my pole down a little bit. This guy looks good. Look at you. Don't fin me. Ooh. Alright. Look at him. He's real pretty. He's trying to fight real hard. Okay. Sorry, dude. You're just gonna go. Alright, swim away. Oh, I hated that. That was not what I wanted. Oh, I just scared something big. Get many dang bites. It's a worm. Why don't y'all want a worm? Right over here. Oh my god. Why, bro? Oh, look at that sunset. It's gorgeous. Okay, so that was a pretty good day. This bridge proved to be a good bridge to hang out by. I caught like 3 or 4 little bluegill. There were a couple that were like some decent size, maybe like 6 inches, maybe 6 or 7, which is a lot bigger than the tiny little guys that I usually catch. But yeah, I'm really excited. I had a good day of fishing. I mean, the bite was good until it wasn't, because it really died about an hour or 2 ago. But I had a good day. So thanks for coming fishing with me.